Stock side-by-sides. Well, that's a word to use loosely. These are two of the latest and most interesting machines to hit the market. And while they are factory stock, they come with a ton of power and a lot of suspension, with the only real area to improve being the wheels and tires. But what's big enough, strong enough, and gonna get us more grip? How about the all-new ITP Versa Cross? This tire is the latest and greatest from ITP in their all-terrain lineup, and it is not your average Joe. It's made for the biggest and the baddest side-by-sides out there. Available in 30 and 32-inch sizes, the Versa Cross is an 8-ply radial tire that's the best of ITP's engineering, specifically focused at high horsepower side-by-sides. This tire uses the ITP Tough Tread compound that protects against tread wear, chunking, and cuts in the tread. The Versa Cross has a massively deep rim guard, so you can hit the rocks hard and still have a pretty set of rims when you're done. And the non-directional tread layout with serious reinforced belts and beefy sidewall strength makes for a harder to puncture tire that's going to carry you further through more gnarly conditions at higher speeds, all the while delivering a smooth, compliant ride. Now, these massive beasts aren't just pretty to look at. This 3/4 inch deep lug does a whole lot more than just entice you in the showroom. Obviously, this tread pattern, it's going to get you serious hookup with the ground that you're driving on, but the center lug channels increase grip and allow the tread to conform to the surfaces that they contact. The Versa Cross is the premier all-terrain side-by-side specific tire from ITP, and they claim that it's unmatched in performance and handling on hard-packed. But as for me, I say prove it, so that's exactly what we're going to do by hooking up our brand new Maverick XRC Turbo R as well as our Polaris RZR RS1 with these brand new 32-inch Versa Crosses that are on different rims but equally exceptionally good looking. For the XRC Turbo R, we'll be going with the rim that started the ITP Storm series, the Hurricane. However, this year, there's a really nice new bronze finish that works with the XRC perfectly. With a 1,200-pound capacity, we have more than enough strength, but always remember, ITP rims carry a lifetime limited warranty, and with the ITP exclusive Rock Armor inner wheel lip, you've got unequaled structural integrity. So yeah, you're covered. Hit that jump, crawl that rock section, or go race the best in the desert series. These rims are here to go the distance. Now on the RS1, we're not going to be rocking the first rim in the Storm series, but rather the newest rim in the Storm series called the Twister. It comes in 14x7 and features all the ITP goodness that you've come to expect. The Rock Armor inner lip, the lifetime limited warranty, and a 1,000-pound load capacity. However, the Twister is not just some new look. This is the first wheel to market that features a left and right design. The reason? ITP wanted to keep forward-facing spokes on all 4 rims. The only way to do this is with a directional rim design. It's very unique, and it looks perfect on our new RS1. Now aesthetically, I know that both of our rigs look way better, but it's time to test out the Versa Cross on hard-packed surfaces and see if ITP's claim to unmatched performance on hard-packed is actually legit. First up is the RS1. I'm going to start out with less power but better sightlines and easier tire placement. It's instantly noticeable that the Versa gets superior traction in contrast to the stock tires. While the 3-inch larger tire size causes a slight change in acceleration, it's fun when we're up to speed, and the typical sidewall roll that we expect is not even slightly evident with the 8 plies holding strong. Likewise, when we switch over to the Maverick XRC Turbo R and add some turbocharged horsepower, setting out on the wider open fire roads, those sidewalls still stay planted and firm, not showing rollover, and yet the Versa Cross tire delivers a smooth ride. That's not typical of an 8-ply tire. We wanted a true all-terrain performance tire that would perform better across a wider range of conditions. The 3/4 inch lug and tough tread compound grip like crazy, and it's instantly noticeable by the front end that's now pulling us through corners, not just spinning. High-speed drifting is confidence-inspiring, and low-speed rock crawling and climbing follows suit. While this isn't the tire that you're going to enter in the mud race, it's a premium example of an all-terrain tire that will do most tasks a high-powered side-by-side could ask of it, with nothing but first-class results. I really feel that ITP delivered on what they said that they would. There's great high-speed performance, incredible stability, and tons of strength here. From a company that doesn't just write great brochures, they have amazing reviews from years of customers who are nothing but happy all across the world. It only takes 2 clicks to like and subscribe to our page, where you can check out a huge variety of ATV and side-by-side videos just like the one you watched.